Hey everyone, it's Rachel Frensos with the Annapolis Fine Homes Office of Long and Foster. I hope this video continues to find you healthy and well. And today, this is Moving Forward with Rachel Reunion, and I have Brian Ernest with Ready to Sell Renovations. Hey Brian.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Wonderful, thanks for having me.
Sure, no, I really appreciate it. So Brian and I had an interview last year, and for those of you who may not have seen it, Brian, can you just give us a little update on, or what you do actually, what your company does?
Sure. So we're a general contractor. We do home renovations, home building, and we do a lot of our contracting stuff is revolved around real estate transactions.
Right, and you have been an amazing, amazing company to work with because if you don't know, Brian does everything from little projects up to new builds and everything in between. So no matter what your need is, he can definitely help. So tell me, like, what are people doing? Like, what are you doing differently now in these times with your business?
Yeah, so it's been a big change. So I'd say one of the biggest things that we're doing right now is changing the way that we do estimates. So for any homeowner occupied houses that want an interior renovation done, we're using Zoom or any other type of video chat services, FaceTime, any of those to um, minimize, so that we wouldn't be coming into the people's houses. We do them over there, and we're able to get within 90-95% accurate with it. And then we can get all of the contracting, material selection, all the pre-construction things done so that we can set a start date of, let's say, July 1st to come in and start all the projects.
Right, that's great. So you're able to move forward, but doing it safely, which is great.
Correct.
So now that people are at home a lot more, are you finding the scope of work different that people are asking you to do?
Yeah, you'd be surprised. We get a lot of people that are saying, "Hey, we'd like for you to come in and put a home office in," because they don't anticipate going back to the office. I think there's going to be a big shift in that. We also see a lot of outdoor entertainment areas and bar and basement bars and outdoor bar areas because I think people are going to really want to have smaller crowds over at their house instead of going to the bigger bar venues and those types of things.
Right, you'll have to share some of those ideas with us. That's awesome. And then also, how about you personally? Like, how are you holding up? What are you doing differently to socialize during these times?
It's been fun and entertaining. Doing a lot of video conferencing stuff. A lot of our friends groups and everything, we're doing like wine tastings, beer tastings on over Zoom after the kids go to bed at night. Lots of video chatting with the grandparents, those types of things.
Right, which is probably something, that if we all get used to, we'll actually be a little more in touch with people who live farther away from us, I would imagine, right? As everybody gets used to this technology.
It's a lot easier to hang out with your friends because you don't have to call a babysitter, you don't have to go out, all those types of things.
Right, although my daughter will be on it because she needs work.
Yeah.
But I appreciate it. And what I'm going to do is share Brian's website if you have any questions about any sort of project, little or big. And in fact, I think I need to get in touch with you about maybe adding a fire pit because now that I'm in my house a lot more, it is fun to have more things to do while you're at home. So any other ideas, just let me know. We'll post it. And I really appreciate you being on again and taking the time today. And stay healthy and well. And I'll see you soon.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Oh, thank you.
Take care.